As you can see, there are a lot of pigeons and cats. I have got two houses of this building. It means that nearly half of building is mine, as well as me and my dad and my brother has got a stock for purchasing these expensive items such as buildings and other things. In Turkish EYT. EYT'mi de hallolsa, if it is completed, I gain my salary from government too, okay? Do you understand me? I read my EYT and then I have got a lot of opportunity for more good purposes, such as, oh, what a sound! Some of wildcat came or not? Good. I practice English with myself with that video. Thank you for YouTube activities. Pigeons and cats here, so I can easily speak with myself like that, as other people did. As you can see, there is a seaside place of Turkey. This place is the first holiday place, but after Özal and other politicians, also citizens of Erdek, yani politikacılardan ve buradaki esnaftan dolayı first, but at this time last. Önceden ilk yerdi, şimdi sonuncu yer. Okay? Thank you for watching in 3 minutes.